Okay guys, here's my 2001 Honda CBR f4i POS 01 CBR. Won't zoom in because it's a sicky camera. It's an f4i. You can barely see that damn thing. It's this horrible camera. Jeez. Anyways, alright, I've done everything to this damn bike. It won't start. I've tried jumping the fuel solenoid. Have these two little doodads down here. I don't know what they're for. I think one's for fuel, one's for freaking engine. I'm not sure. Alright, I've opened this guy up here and checked to see if everything in there was good. Everything in there was good. It had a little bit of oil in there. I heard that was standard. But something about these plugs right here. If you get these guys to I don't know, something, you pull it out and you hear something click in the fuel pump. It's your switch or something like that. So here's what I got. Alright, let's do that. Now I'm gonna click the button. Wait, that was supposed to make the noise. It didn't. Alright, why don't I get this one? Got a new problem right now. Oh, because the thing's not on, that's why. This wasn't plugged in. Turn the high beams off. Plug that back in. Turn this off. Alright. That guy's plugged in. There we go. So that's plugged in. That's off. Alright, there he goes. You can clearly hear that. Can clearly hear it. I'm scaling the switch on and off, and this is what I got. Nothing. I even tried to jump in the damn starter itself. Freaking not a goddamn thing. So, I need your help, YouTube. Help me out here. How do I get this damn thing started?